Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be covering all the news and leaks of OnePlus 8 Lite. OnePlus 8 Lite is a different type of smartphone from OnePlus because this phone will be targeting 25,000 to 31,000 price segment. If you are waiting for OnePlus 8 Lite and want to know its specifications, launch date and pricing, watch the video completely. So let's start with the specifications first. We will be getting a 6.4-inch display, a flat display. There will be no curved display. Curved display will be reserved for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Most of people don't like curved display due to its accidental touches, but some like it. So choice is up to you. Punch hole display in the center, whereas OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro will have punch hole in the top left corner. We can get 16 megapixel or 32 megapixel front camera, which is not yet confirmed by OnePlus, and at the back we will see triple camera setup. 48 megapixel main sensor, 12 megapixel or 20 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and a 12 megapixel of depth sensing camera. Earlier the news suggested it will have dual camera, but no, it will have a triple camera because OnePlus is asking 30,000, almost 30,000 for this device, and in 30,000 we OnePlus cannot provide us only dual camera. They should provide triple camera because nowadays the new trend is to put more cameras on a smartphone. Even under 15,000 we get quad camera setup. Yes guys, quad camera setup. What do you think? Do we actually need quad cameras or triple camera setup? Comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Talking about the chipset, it will have a new MediaTek Dimensity 1000, which is a good processor equivalent to a flagship performance. We will get massive 4000 mAh battery with 25-watt fast charging support, and the fast charger will be included in the box, and 90 Hz refresh rate screen, 6 and 8 GB of RAM, and 128 and 256 GB of internal storage. So on paper the specifications of the phone look solid. Now let's talk about launch date and pricing. Few days ago, Amazon initially leaked or listed OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro on affiliated program page. So for OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 8 Pro, launch seems to be in the near future, but there was no news or not a single listing about OnePlus 8 Lite. So OnePlus 8 Lite may launch after OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro launches. So we can expect OnePlus 8 Lite to launch here in India in the last week of March or till April, first week of April. Pricing will be around 29,000 to 31,000 Indian rupees. So the pricing is pretty high for a mid-range smartphone from OnePlus because OnePlus 70 is now selling at the price of 34,000. So I think OnePlus 8 Lite could be launched around somewhere around 28 to 29,000 Indian rupees. What do you think about OnePlus 8 Lite? Give your thoughts in the comment section below. Hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more future updates.